ROADPRO 3-pin plugged/hardwire fused replacement CB power cord 2-wire RPPS 227. Red/black power wire with stripped ends. This most CB radios with 3-pin rear power socket. Roadpro 12-volt fused power cord is manufactured with heavy-duty 16-gauge copper wire leads. It features a 3-pin, 2-wire fused power cord. Used to replace power cords on most CB radios. Top reviews from the United States. Works. Did the job better than the thinner one that came in the truck when I bought it. The original, I was told that people couldn't hear me and was causing several headaches with a Galaxy 29 horsepower I was running. Ran new power and ground wires from batteries and tied it to this and haven't had a problem since.